Hi, nice to meet you all. You will definitely fall in for this sour pickles meesua. So delicious! Save this recipe. Delicious! White tofu. 2 tomatoes. Meesua. Sour pickles. Slices tofu. Chopped 1 tomato. Diced another tomato. Chopped sour pickles. Use only half portion of sour pickles. Sour pickles. White tofu, tomatoes, meesua, stir-fried chopped tomatoes, stir-fry with high heat, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste or ginger slices, sour pickles. Pour in 1 big bowl hot boiling water. Add in tomatoes diced when soup is boiling. Season with chicken powder. Salt and pepper powder with 1 teaspoon each. I keep some soup for dinner. Add tofu and cook for 1 minute. Add meesua, cook until softened. Well, look at this soup. Pour meesua soup into soup bowl. Sour pickles meesua soup is done. Anytime now. It tastes as good as restaurants. Do follow my next update on Friday, Sunday, 3 times a week. Please share your delicious recipes with me by leaving message at below video. Thanks in advance. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.